Alright guys, so on the Xbox page, if you see like we're sorry the page you requested cannot be found, the URL may be misspelled, or the page you're looking for is no longer available. So there's some certain things that's still not available right now. For example, I tried to sign in and invite my friends. On that particular page it kept saying this, so you can check their Xbox server status. So you can say it's set up and running, means their servers are good, and if it's a limiter or major outage, that means the server having issues, so you're not alone. So yeah, also you can check their Xbox support, where you can like check what game people having problems. For example, let's say we're aware of someone experienced Call of Duty, they want to check this status, and this is status for US, this is for Canada, just country. So that's all I want to say. Thanks for watching.